Hello everyone, I'm the Dino Gamer and welcome back to another Beam.Ng Drive slow motion car crash video. So in today's video, this is our car of choice and we'll be driving along this highway until, well, we crash. But before we do, of course, we'll put it in slow motion and remember, it's recording so you can watch this car crash from different perspectives. So anyway, well, let's begin. Okay, hit record and now, well, on the way we go. Okay, and here we are now. Let's switch to some slow motion. There we go, and on pause. And well, enjoy. Ooh, we're basically going underneath the Jeep. Well, that is very painful. Don't think anyone would have survived that. Maybe the guys in the Jeep would have survived, though, with very bad injuries. The entire front left hand side of the car is basically gone, just crushed. And that's our door up there, just flying away. Let's speed up a little bit. The back of the car is still pretty intact though. Well, hopefully we don't fly off this small cliff here. The Jeep is pretty banged up though, but I think that crash would be survivable for the guys in the Jeep. Okay, now let's speed up a slight more. 8 times slower than real time. And it looks like we're coming to a stop. Maybe we'll hit that van coming. Probably not. 4 times slower. This is real time. Well, the Jeep with the van. Let's see if our car can still move. Surprisingly, it can. Let's see. Also, did no damage to the van, really. So anyway, let's watch the replay. Let's go from the driver's perspective. And that's the van we crashed into and the van. Now let's watch from another perspective. And well, that's the car crash. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, consider subscribing and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.